Good morning, my dear students. I wish you all a pleasant morning. Today, we are going to continue our yesterday's chapter from English Grammar. Lesson number 3, One and Many. We add letter S to some words to change them from one to many. For example, book, books, ball, balls. Dear students, now let us revise what we have learned yesterday. You all are going to listen and repeat. One and many. One apple, many apples. One ball, many balls. One cat, many cats. One doll, many dolls. One egg, many eggs. One gun, many guns. One hen, many hens. One ink pot, many ink pots. One jug, many jugs. One kite, many kites. One lion, many lions. One bird, many birds. So dear students, now let us discuss some more questions from your English grammar workbook. So open your English grammar workbook, page number 11. Dear students, everyone opened their grammar book? Okay. This question is on page number 11. Look at the pictures, then fill in the blanks with correct naming words. Now here we are having some pictures. We are going to fill the correct naming word in the blank. Now see the first picture. What do you see in the first picture, students? There are two dogs. One dash is sleeping. Now how many dogs are sleeping? One dog. So you will write D-O-G, dog. Now look at the second picture. There are two boys. The name of one boy is Joy, and Joy has one orange. And the name of other boy is Rahul, and Rahul has 5 oranges. So at the end of orange you are going to write S. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. Number 3. Now see the first picture, students. There are two baby birds in the nest. How many baby birds are there? 2. And there is one dash on the branch. Now What you see? Who is sitting on the branch of the tree? There is one bird. B-I-R-D, bird. See the fourth picture. Now here there are two girls. The name of one girl is Swati and she has one book. So Swati carries one book and Sonali carries many books. B-O-O-K-S, books. Now everyone turn your page and open page number 12. Students, this is question number D. Circle the naming words that name one. Now students, in the box, can you see there are some naming words? We are going to circle the naming words that name one and underline the naming words that name many. And we are going to underline the naming words that name many. And after doing this, we are going to write down these words in the columns given below. Can you see there are two columns, one and many. First, we are going to circle or underline and then we are going to write it down in correct column. Now see, here they have given us two examples. What is our first word? Flowers. Now flowers means many flowers. The ending word letter is S. So many. So they have wrote flowers in many, second column. And they have underlined the flowers. What is our next word? Boy. Boy means only one boy. So we have to circle. When there is only one, we have to circle. And write it down in first column under 1. Okay, let us see what is our next word. Rings. Now rings means many rings, right? So you are going to underline. Chalo, come on everyone, do in your book. And where you will write this? Column 1 or column 2? Yes, you are going to write it down under many. R-I-N-G-S, rings. Next is kittens. Now kittens means many kittens. So we are going to underline this word. And where you will write this? You will write this under many. The next word is N-E-T, net. Now there is only one net. So we are going to circle. We are going to circle the word which shows only one. And write it down under one column. Next is ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So circle ball. There is one ball. So you will write it down under 1. The next word is umbrellas. Now umbrellas means many umbrellas, right? So underline this and write it under many. The next word is carpet. C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. only one carpet. So circle this and write in first column. Next word is letters. Letters means many letters. Every time you are going to see the last letter. Okay, the last letter is S. So many. Underline this. Very good. And you tell me where you are going to write, in first or second column. Very good. You will write in second column. Letters. Letters. Next word is pencil. There is only one pencil. So no, you tell me now. You will circle or underline? Yes, you are going to circle. Pencil. Pencil. And write it down under first column. Next word is boat. One boat. So circle this and write it under first column. B-O-A-T, boat. Next is shops. Shops means many shops. So you are going to underline this and write it down under many. S-H-O-P-S, shops. The next word is chair. Only one chair. So circle this word and write down in first column. C-H-A-I-R, chair. And the last word is grapes. There are many grapes. So underline this word and write it down in many column. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Dear students, I hope everyone has understood this. The words that show one, you are going to circle them. And the words that show they are many, you are going to underline them. And how we come to know that it is one or many? Yes, when the words show that it is many, at the end of that word we add S. What we add? We add S. Now this you are going to complete in your grammar workbook. Now tomorrow we are going to study the same chapter and we are going to discuss some more questions from this chapter. Okay students, till then stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.